Hello and welcome to Sir David, the AI teacher, where I make AI and digital tools simple for beginners and creators. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to use Canva to create a scroll-stopping, high-CTR YouTube thumbnail, even if you are using the free version. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to canva.com. You can sign up using your Google account, your email, or Facebook. Once you log in, you'll land on your Canva dashboard. If you are new, don't worry. Everything here is very beginner-friendly. Step 2, choosing the right thumbnail size. Now click on Create a Design at the top right. Search for YouTube thumbnail. Click on it. Canva will automatically create a design with the correct YouTube size, 1280 by 720 pixels. That's important for clarity and professional results. Important. Free version tip. If you're using the free version, very important. Do not select templates that have a small crown icon on them. The crown means it is a pro element. If you use it, Canva will ask you to pay before downloading. Instead, choose free templates or start with a blank canvas like I'm doing here. Step 3, finding elements. Now let's go to the left side menu and click on Elements. Here you can find shapes, lines, icons, graphics, backgrounds. Use the search bar to type things like tech background, blue gradient, glow effect, arrow. Always choose clean and simple graphics. Remember, high CTR thumbnails are bold, clear, not crowded. Step 4, drag and drop. To use any element, just click it or drag and drop it onto your canvas. You can resize it, rotate it, move it around. Keep your layout balanced. A powerful formula is face on one side, big bold text on the other side that creates strong visual contrast. Step 5, importing your own photos. Now let's add your own picture. Go to Uploads on the left menu. Click Upload Files and select your image. Once uploaded, drag it onto your canvas, resize, and position it properly. Your face builds trust, especially in education content. Step 6, background remover, paid version only. If you are using Canva Pro, here's something powerful. Click on your image, then click Edit Photo. Select Background Remover. Canva will automatically remove your background. This helps your picture stand out and look more professional. If you are using the free version, you can use a plain background or upload a pre-removed PNG image. Step 7, filtering your picture. Still under Edit Photo, you can adjust brightness, increase contrast, increase clarity, add slight warmth. Be careful not to overdo it. Your image should look natural, sharp, clean. High contrast helps thumbnails pop on mobile devices. Step 8, adding text. Now click Text on the left side. Click Add a heading. For high CTR thumbnails, use 3 to 5 words only. Example, stop low views. Thumbnail secret, more clicks now. Make the text bold, large, easy to read. Use strong contrast, white text on dark background or yellow on blue. Avoid long sentences. Remember, thumbnails are read in 2 seconds. Step 9, exporting your thumbnail. Once your design is ready, click Share at the top right, then click Download. Choose PNG format, high quality. Then click Download. Your thumbnail is ready for YouTube. Quick high-CTR reminder. Before uploading, ask yourself, is the text big enough to read on a phone? Is the design clean? Is the message clear in 2 seconds? If yes, you're ready. Short outro. And that's how you create a scroll-stopping YouTube thumbnail using Canva. If this helped you, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and share with friends. Join the journey and let's unlock the future of creativity together. Only on Sir David, the AI teacher.
Come and learn with me. Simple AI tutorials for you.